Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your farm name in Heyday. To change your farm name in Heyday is super easy. First of all, open up the Heyday application on your device, and once you end up in this screen, tap on the menu button at the top left. Now in the pop-up, click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for an option that says Change Farm Name and tap on it. Now, type in your desired farm name or change your current one to a new one and click on the green tick button once you are done. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your farm name in Heyday. Your farm now has a brand new name, making it truly your own. Whether you've chosen something fun, creative, or unique, it's sure to stand out in the Heyday community. That's how you easily change your farm's name on Heyday. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.